Hello everyone! So, this video cannot be at the worst timing ever. One of the most frequently asked requests during my first move-in vlog for college was what room I live in, what building I live in, where I lived, in which residence halls I lived in, etc, etc. So I thought I would finally do a room tour. Now, I actually am in the process of moving out. It is week 10 of spring quarter, which means my final instruction week, and then finals week is next week, and I'm out of here. So yeah, this could not have been possibly at the worst time. A lot of my stuff is packed, my closet is half gone, and yeah, but I thought it would be just as good as time as any, not really, to show you guys my dorm room and what it looks like. So once you enter the door, as you can see, there is a mirror right here. Some rooms have the mirror kind of off to the side, or it's not tall enough, so you can't really see your entire body, but I'm glad that my room does. You get a little whiteboard here. We used to have our schedule up here, but we erased it. We have a little thermometer which only switches from cool to heat whenever the residence hall people determine it, so you don't really have that much control. That's just decoration from my first time at Chick-fil-A. You get these cabinets here, which I think is one of the great things about living in Segundo and in my type of building. I'll get into that more later, but they offer so much storage and they're really deep as well. They're like arm length-ish, half an arm length. You also get so much storage up there. As I said, I am in the process of moving out, so a lot of my stuff is gone. Yeah, those are pads out there. Get more storage here. These are really deep, you guys. Just to give you a little more point of view. Another one. And then these drawers, they kind of remind me of the IKEA Alex 9 drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. 5 drawers. Again, these are really deep as well. I don't really have much. Oh, I have a lot in this one. These are really deep and long, I guess. They hold so much clothes. I can fit about all of my clothes in there. And then you also get this closet rod thingy. Obviously there's nothing to cover it, but it does offer you a lot of space. So if I were to just give you guys a, I don't know, portion, I don't know, this is a lot, okay? And then I store all of my shoes down here. It's super dirty right now, but this thing, I put it there so that I can store my boots and stuff. I have my laundry hamper here with my towel. I actually had to hang this up. Some rooms have the Commandex already on there. And then I've got my microwave and fridge. Sorry, these are my pajamas. The microwave and fridge I actually rented from the school, so I have to give that back this week. And then my calendar, I've got 2 giant, I don't know, boards. I don't even know what this is, but you can put thumbtacks on there. You can stick pictures with tape. I've got my friends from high school on there. I've got some little artwork courtesy of Melody from the 3rd floor, and then the majority of the room, which is my bed. I did have my bed raised. I'm gonna show you guys my roommate's side. This is what it was, and then I am in the process of storing so many things down there because, again, as I said, I'm moving out. I have these chairs which come with the room. There's one on each side, and then the desk. Now the light does come in this way. This is south, by the way, so there is a lot of sunlight that comes in if I open the windows, but I'm gonna try and brighten it as much as possible. There we go. So we do get 3 pull-out storage spaces. I've got, these are really deep, you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell. I also extended my desk. Most desks end around right here, but all desks, no matter where you live, can be extended so that you have a lot of more depth, I guess, to how you can like organize. I don't know. You've got a little thing here. I've got so many things in there. These are like a lot of like beauty products for me because I store all of my notebooks and stuff up there, which I actually brought from home. My little fan. This is a really dirty desk, you guys. Like, I'm packing up all of this. This one isn't even mine. Got lots of things going on. You do get a lamp. Mine is broken right now. They haven't come to fix it yet, but yep. I've got a little twisty thing here which allows me to store my pencils and stuff. Again, I brought this from home. Just more notebooks and more school supplies, etc. And here is my view of the outside. Woo, I'll explain what all of that is another time. But yeah, that is pretty much all of like my side of the room. If you guys would like me to do like a full in-depth residence haul kind of guide, then please give this video a thumbs up and I will do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little room tour and like a little bit of a background story, I guess. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already by clicking the red button down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!